Huawei is making waves yet again with its soon-to-be-unveiled flagship device, the Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus. Based on early insights, this upcoming launch is set to be a standout. Positioned as the pinnacle of the Pura 80 series lineup, this high-end smartphone promises next-level features that are already turning heads among mobile tech lovers. As per credible insiders, particularly the popular leaker Digital Chat Station, the Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus is tipped to include 16 GB of RAM and two massive storage variants, 512 GB and a jaw-dropping 1 TB. Yes, a full terabyte of onboard storage in a smartphone. That's enough to house massive media libraries, gaming apps, and high-resolution content without breaking a sweat. But here's the catch: the 1 TB edition could be a limited release model, so securing one might be a challenge if you don't act quickly. On the aesthetics front, Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus is set to ship in 4 luxurious finishes: glided black, glazed white, crimson red, and emerald green. These premium color options complement the flagship-level configuration, blending style and performance seamlessly. Now for the standout feature, the camera setup. Huawei has a legacy in cutting-edge mobile photography, and it's poised to advance that with the Pura 80 family. The main sensor remains a powerful 50MP unit, but performance will vary based on the variant. The Pura 80 Ultra, for instance, is rumored to sport a custom lens with LAFIC tech and an adjustable aperture, letting in more light and producing crisp, vibrant shots even in low-light environments. The biggest buzz surrounds the expected dual telephoto camera innovation in both the Pro Plus and Ultra editions. These models could debut the industry's first dual periscope zoom lens on a unified mount with distinct focal lengths. That means clearer long-range zoom and detailed close-ups, potentially up to 20x optical zoom, without degrading image quality. On the imaging software side, Huawei plans to integrate intelligent AI-powered editing. This includes smart photo enhancements, cinematic color modes, personalized filters, and dynamic tone adjustments, giving creators more freedom and accuracy in post-processing. Beyond imaging, Huawei is reportedly introducing new display tech in the Pura 80 series that surpasses even the Mate 7 RS Ultimate screen brilliance. Though specifics remain undisclosed, early leaks hint at ultra-smooth visuals, enhanced brightness, and immersive resolution, perfect for both entertainment and productivity. The powerhouse under the hood is also worth noting. The Pura 80 Pro Plus might be driven by an all-new Kirin 5G SoC, engineered to deliver blazing performance, superior energy efficiency, and strong next-gen connectivity, keeping pace with 2025's most advanced smartphones. Battery and charging details are still under wraps, with Huawei staying quiet for now. But given the top-tier segment this device targets, fast charging and a high-capacity battery system are almost guaranteed, likely matching or exceeding current market standards. Overall, the Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus is shaping up to be a true flagship beast for 2025. With 16 GB RAM, up to 1 TB internal storage, revolutionary dual zoom lenses, AI-enhanced photography, and a powerful new Kirin 5G chip, Huawei seems ready to take on the elite players in the mobile arena. For users seeking elite specs, massive space, and game-changing camera hardware, this device is a must-watch. Expect more leaks and official announcements in the coming weeks. Don't miss out on this next-gen innovation. Subscribe for real-time tech news and deep-dive insights on all major releases.